Hello, Caroline over here at Premier Fitness. Today we're going to be doing some foam rolling exercises. So I have my foam roller here. This is good to do, you can do it before or after. I personally like doing this after a workout. Gives you a little bit different stretching experience than just typical stretching. So we're going to start with our glute. So you'll have one leg bent, we'll have our hands in front, you're just going to rock back and forth. Switch. All right. Then we're going to put bend our lower leg, and we're going to do our outer hip here. We're going to try to do these 10, 15, 20 seconds. Good. And then we're going to go ahead and switch sides. Alright. Next we're going to do our hamstrings. So we'll put it right under and roll. We're going to move down to our calves. Alright. So we're going to work on our quads. So we'll just do both at the same time. We'll have one leg open. This one hurts. Now we're going to do our obliques. Switch over to the other side. Good. Then, oops. This one's a little bit tricky. You're going to hold on to it and work your lower back. So these are just 8 of the many exercises you can do with a foam roller. It's definitely, like I said earlier, something that will give you a little bit different of a stretching workout, but it is really good for your muscles. So if you have a foam roller at home and you want to give these a try, I typically do this about 2 times through everything, but again, it's up to you, whatever feels good for you. So thank you for joining us. Have a good one.